Ted Rippey with Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. I'm going to show you a cool feature on the 2019 RAV4 Limited with the power lift gate. I just used my foot to open it, which is pretty cool in itself, but you can actually adjust the height. So right now it's at its tallest height. If I want to lower it, I push the button, take it down to the desired height, and then hold the button in until it beeps 3 times. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it. Walk up, open it again. This time when it opens, it goes up to the lower height that I set it at. Again, Ted Rippey, Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure on the 2019 RAV4 with the power lift gate.